20 Acne Home Remedies divided by skin type. Natural acne remedies in a cosmetic world. Acne Home Remedies for fair skin. Mixing baking soda with water, the most generic, though effective of acne home remedies. The baking soda uses an all-natural alcohol-free method of drying up the excess sebum under the skin. Mix a cup of baking soda with a little water until it becomes a paste. Apply to the infected spot, not the whole face. Leave on for 15 minutes and gently wipe off. Feel fabulous. Get smelly, mush up some acne home remedies with garlic, ready to reek. The very effective method is a powerhouse in acne treatment. Peel back a clove of garlic, chop it up till it's a mush, then apply to whole face for 20 minutes. Remember to wash it off, unless you like the smell of garlic. Apple cider vinegar and water solution. Ouch! This one might leave a little sting if you're not careful. If your skin is sensitive, be sure to dilute the vinegar with water appropriately. This is one of my favorite acne home remedies because it's so strong and gets to work pretty darn fast. Apple cider vinegar is a strong astringent packed with skin-protecting vitamins. To use, mix with water and apply with a cotton swab. Don't rinse. The orange peel facial, time to smell daringly citric. It's the most fruity of our acne home remedies. Peel the orange, flatten it with a tenderizing utensil or rather blunt object. Surprisingly, even a hammer works, and apply the peel to your acne area. You can even go as far as taping it on your face. Leave on for 20 minutes and remove. Be careful not to snatch the tape off too fast. Ouch! Combining aspirin and water. Headache pills for the face? I've never tried this one myself, but I'm hearing it's very powerful, so I wouldn't overdo it. To use, crush an aspirin and add a little water until it becomes a paste. Apply the paste to a single pimple spot only and let it sit overnight. Rinse at wake. Tomato juices work wonders. Tomato juice, anyone? For this home remedy, take a tomato and place it in the blender or chop and squeeze. If you decide to use a blender for your acne home remedies, make sure you clean it thoroughly beforehand. This way, you wouldn't have any leftover residues from last week's chocolate shake sitting on your face. Apply the juices for an hour, then rinse off. But be warned, frequent use of tomato juice will dry out your skin. Try other acne home remedies from time to time. Green tea ice cube. Got spare green tea lying around? If you do, then you got one acne's greatest home remedies. Freeze green tea into an ice cube and apply to a specific spot. Use until swelling decreases or it melts away. The Lemony Rose Water Supreme Combo. Combining these two deadly acne killers will definitely thwart the competition. No pun intended. To use, mix a half cup of rose water with a quarter of lemon juice and apply to infected area. The rose water will repair damaged skin and the astringent will suck up excess sebum. The ideal acne fighting tag team. Break an egg, clear a face. Egg whites are the perfect facial cleansers and make pretty strong acne home remedies. To keep the acne away, break an egg, separate the white from the yolk, apply to whole face and feel your skin tighten. Wash away in an hour and feel refreshed. Or just really eggy. Green tea ice cube. For this method, you get to eat the majority of the strawberry, and the best part is strawberries are really good for you. Eat the berry part, save the crown part and apply to infected area. After 20 minutes rinse and relax. Like my orange peel strategy, you can feel free to use tape. Potato slice, plain and simple. Potato slices work wonders. Slice 1, hold it on your face for as long as you want and enjoy. You can leave it on all day if you wish. Can't have too many potatoes. Simple acne home remedies personified. The Surefire Clay Mask. Well, I saved the best of my acne home remedies for last, and for a good reason. I have heard umpteen absolutely uplifting stories about these things, and I'm fully convinced that these masks are the best solution to getting rid of acne overnight. If you need clay, visit Mountains Rose Herbs and do a search for clay. It cost $4.95 a pound. A good bargain, cheaper than most acne products you can buy over the counter. To apply, take 1 tsp of clay and mix it with water until it becomes a paste. Then apply to infected spot and leave on as long as you want. Use for overnight is best. Acne home remedies for drier skins. Stir up some avocado and honey, my best choice for a homemade moisturizing mix. Mash up some avocado, add some honey to make a paste, and apply to infected area. Do not overdo the honey. Too much honey will lead to clogged pores. Apply to face and wash off in 20 minutes. Avoid rubbing in. Olive oil absorption. As with all skin moisturizing agents, be careful of applying too much and doing more harm than good. Take a tablespoon, dilute with a very little bit of water, and apply to infected area. Let sit for 20 minutes and pat dry. Simple acne home remedies at its finest. Astringent honey powerhouse combination. Honey tends to work miracles as a natural skin rejuvenator. Combine that with any astringent and you got an acne fighter. Use any astringent I've recommended in this post and you should be fine. Just remember to wash your dosage. Apply for 15 minutes and enjoy. Acne home remedies for oily skins. Lemon juice suction. This one is for those fiery, tough chicks. Lemon juice is the most potent of all acne home remedies and especially effective on oily skins. Slice a lemon in half, squeeze out its juices and apply it to face using a cotton swab. Be wary, as burning and bleaching of the skin may occur if you overdo it. The solution more powerful than lemon juice alone. This one is for the daredevils. This will result in a super sucker solution that's almost a surefire way to get rid of that pimple. But as with all acne home remedies, with great risk comes great reward. Be careful of burning and bleaching of the skin. Same as before, chop lemon in half, squeeze juices and add salt to the mixture. Apply to face and enjoy. As with most acne home remedies, remember to rinse after 10 minutes. Just a little bit of baby powder. On the contrary, many argue that baby powder outright destroys your skin. Which it can if you're not careful. So unless you're absolutely sure you can apply the necessary amount, don't bother. Add a very small amount of baby powder with a little water to make a slightly moist paste and apply to spots. Do not rub in or you'll risk blocking your pores and making the problem worse. Toothpaste for the face. A classic example on everyone's acne home remedies list. It's simple and dangerously effective. All you have to do is dab a quarter-size amount of toothpaste and let the astringent properties eat through your pimple. Tips for this one? Only one, stay away from gel toothpastes. A simple wipe-off might do the trick. This is the only entry I won't consider to be an acne home remedy, but it's so effective and inexpensive, I decided it would make a perfect addition to this list. C&C oil wipes do a spectacular job of ridding your face of those nasty excess oil reserves I talked about earlier, and I constantly get reviews from readers who can vouch for them. If you have oily skin, I urge you to pick some of these things up ASAP. They just might be what you need to manage your pimple production, on demand.